guys, it's Nancy Ann here. Just a quick update on what I decided to keep from Fix number 5, my last unboxing last Thursday. Well, I decided to go with, and no one who watched it will be surprised by this probably, the boyfriend jeans and the taupe booties. I liked everything in that unboxing, but I loved these. And even though these jeans are more than I would typically spend for a pair of jeans at $92, to have a pair of jeans that both fits and is comfortable and is not tight, doesn't feel like it's squeezing me anywhere, this probably hasn't happened since I was in 5th grade. So these are just fantastic. I absolutely love them. They will roll down and become long when I'm wearing shoes that require more length on the leg, and they're long enough for me, by the way. The inseam's nice and long. And they also roll up beautifully like I'm wearing them with the little booties. The booties I love, they zip on both sides, so they actually, both zippers are functional. So you can get them on either way, and I think that's a neat detail. So instead of trying to hide the zipper on the inside, they just made a statement with them. I just love them. The price was reasonable at $69, and I honestly could use a pair of taupe booties. So there you go. That's what I decided to keep from stitch number 5. Thank you, Fix number 5. My words, once again. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. And coming up this next Thursday, we'll have another unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed.